Hello and welcome to PowerPoint Designer. In this tutorial, we will see that a timeline slide only on just PowerPoint Designer 16. This animated timeline slide will show the percentage of viewer growth for your company. I have given the color layout for this presentation slide. At first, select a blank slide, then select a circle shape, drag it over here, then change the size for this circle shape. Height of this circle shape would be 3.75 cm. Then the width of this circle shape would be 3.75 cm. Now change the color for the circle shape. I will select this first color, then select no outline. Make a duplicate of this circle shape and change the size of the color of this circle shape. Then resize it and place in the center position of the previous circle shape. Make another duplicate of the circle shape and change the color of this circle shape and resize it and place on the middle portion of the previous two circle shape. Select these three circle shape and make a group by pressing Ctrl and G. Now select a new circle shape, drag it over here, then change its color to this second color and change it to no outline and change the size of this circle shape. The height of this circle shape would be 5.745 cm. Now select this circle shape and press Ctrl D to make a duplicate of this circle shape. Then change the color of this shape and resize it and place on the middle portion of this previous circle shape. Now select a rectangular shape, go to size and position, change its height to 8.25 cm and change its width to 0.7 cm or 0.6 cm. Now change its color to this second color and make it no outline and send it to back, so that our main shape has been ready. Now select these three shapes, make them group and press Ctrl D to make duplicate of that shape and rotate it and place this duplicate shape in the below portion of the rest part of that shape. Now select these three shapes, make it no fill so that the shape remains but the shape has been hidden from the slide. Select this shape, hidden shape and the colorful shape, make them group so that it will rotate in circularly. Now select a rectangular shape, make it no fill and no outline and place the year of and change the font color, change the font for this year. I will use the agency FB, increase the size and make it bold. Select this shape and make duplicate of this shape and place the percentage for that year and increase its size. And place them on the center position of the big shape. Now select this all the shapes and make them group and go to animations, go to animation pen. For this shape select spin animation and start after previous, increase the duration for this animation, then go to effect option for this shape and change the rotation of that shape is to be 80 degree in clockwise and make another duplicate of this shape and change the color for that shape. I will select this third color and change the color of the shape's fonts to this color. Now change the ear of that shape and give the percentage for the ear. Now change the rotation format. Go to effect option and make it counterclockwise. Now select this first shape, make duplicate of this shape and change its color. I will use this third color and change the font color. Now go to animations. For the third shape, change the duration to 2 seconds and go to effect options. Select the customized rotation and it would be 40° in clockwise. Now change the text of that shapes. Select this shape, make a duplicate of this shape and it would be in counterclockwise. First of all, change the size, change the color. Select this first color and change the font color. Change the text of that shape. Go to effect option and make it counterclockwise. Now select this shape, make duplicate of this shape, and the fifth shape has no animation, so delete this animation and change the color for that shape. I will use this last color and change the color fonts and change the text of that shape. So that the animation has been ready. Now place all the shapes in the right position. Select this first shape, send it to back. Select this second shape, send it to back. Select this third shape, send it to back. Then select this fourth shape, send it to back. And select this fifth shape, send it to back. Now select this all the shapes. Go to arrange, go to align and align it to center. Then go to align and align it to middle. Now check the animation, go to animation pane and play all. So here is the animation has been ready. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel to inspire us to make more videos on PowerPoint. Thank you so much.